Royal Enfield has taken another significant step towards launching its much-awaited Himalayan 750 with a near-production prototype recently spotted undergoing road tests in the UK. The latest spy shots suggest that the motorcycle is now in its final stages of development and is on track for its expected global unveiling at EICMA 2026. The test motorcycle seen this time is the road-oriented version of the Himalayan 750. While it carries forward the familiar design language of the Himalayan 450, it also introduces several noticeable upgrades. The LED headlamp appears to be shared with other Royal Enfield models, but the larger windscreen and integrated front fairing give the motorcycle a more premium, touring-focused appearance. Unlike the Himalayan 450, which uses tank guards as part of its design, the new 750 features bodywork that flows seamlessly from the headlamp to the fuel tank. The higher-mounted exhaust, positioned closer to the seat, further distinguishes it from its smaller sibling. Powering the new Himalayan will be Royal Enfield's all-new 750cc air/oil-cooled parallel twin engine. The motor is expected to retain the brand's signature 270-degree crankshaft configuration while delivering a noticeable increase in performance over the existing 650cc twin. The engine also appears to serve as a stressed member within an all-new tubular steel chassis. Interestingly, the Spy bike features a fixed rear subframe instead of the bolt-on design seen on some Royal Enfield models, indicating a chassis developed specifically for this new platform. The motorcycle is also set to introduce ride-by-wire throttle technology, which will pave the way for electronic rider aids such as multiple riding modes and cruise control. The Spy images also reveal a circular TFT display, similar to the unit found on the Himalayan 450. Suspension duties are handled by upside-down Showa front forks and a rear monoshock equipped with a remote preload adjuster, enhancing touring convenience. Braking hardware includes twin front disc brakes paired with bi-brake calipers, while the motorcycle rides on 19 and 17-inch cast alloy wheels wrapped in road-focused tires. Everything about the Himalayan 750 points towards its long-distance touring intentions. It features a generously sized fuel tank, a low and comfortable seat, a fixed windscreen, and a standard center stand, all aimed at improving highway comfort. Interestingly, the prototype does not feature handguards or pannier mounting hardware, suggesting these could be offered as optional accessories. The Himalayan 750 is expected to become the first motorcycle built on Royal Enfield's new 750cc twin-cylinder platform. This engine is also likely to power the next generation of the Interceptor, Continental GT, and other future twin-cylinder motorcycles in the company's lineup. With its larger engine, improved electronics, and touring-focused upgrades, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 750 is shaping up to be the brand's most capable adventure tourer yet, promising a significant leap over the current Himalayan.